Second key to success in this racket is this little baby right here. It's called cocaine. Right. It will keep you sharp between the ears. It'll also help your fingers dial faster. And guess what? That's good for me. Yes, sir. Revolutions. You follow?
Revolutions.
Keep the clients on the Ferris wheel. There it goes. The park is open 24/7, 365. Every decade, every goddamn century. That's it. Name of the game. How kitty?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. 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 Come on. Mm-hmm. With a common denominator. Keep it up for me. See how we roll. How the money comes in. The parade comes to town. Going down Broadway is a one-way street. Whichever way I go.